Hi, everyone. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to find postal codes using Google Maps on your iPhone. Let's get started.
1. Open Google Maps. Unlock your iPhone and open the Google Maps app. Search for a location. In the search bar, type in the name or address of the building or location you're interested in. Tap the search button. 3. Select the location. Once the location appears on the map, tap on the pin or the location's name at the bottom of the screen. 4. View address details. After tapping the location, a detailed address will pop up at the bottom of the screen.